Okay, so today I'm here to show you my interactive activity of this unit, of this mid unit homework. So, and I made a small interactive activity in Kahoot, and so I'm gonna solve it so you can see it. Okay, so first question, and what's the logarithm form of the following exponential function? And b elevated to the y and equal x. This is a very basic expression and the most easy one to describe how the interact of logarithm and exponential functions. So, in this case, and an easy way to solve this question is by looking at the logs. In this case, you can very easily say that probably the log is gonna be the one behind the log, the number behind it will be b, and all these logs that doesn't have a number behind, down there mean they have a 10. They have a 10 there, so and that's why they are not the correct answer, and the correct answer will be the blue one. G equal log b x of x. Next one. And the exponential form of the following logarithm function x equals 3 log 5 j and y. And so in this case, we take the square and elevate it to the y, so y elevated to the square. And so this means that will have y elevated to the square, and we can see that the only ones are blue and green that are correct for the moment, and after making the 5 being the base again, and the 5 will be elevated to the x, so the correct answer will be the blue one. Now the next question, what's the logarithm form of the following exponential function? X elevated to 1/5 equals to 7 elevated to the y. So in this case, and we will isolate the y will be here, as you can see, and the y won't be elevated to 1/5, so we can discard, and we can say that the blue is not the correct answer. And after that, and the log will be in base of 7, so and the one that has that way is the red and the green, and the elevated to the 1/5 will be on the x, but as you can see, the only one that has the 1/5 between the red one and the green one is the red, so the correct answer will be red. The range of this function. This is an exponential function, so the range of this function and will be the numbers that are higher than 0. So the correct answer will be the green one. What's the domain of this function? Y equals log base of 2 of x. So in this case, and the logarithm function is the inverse of the exponential function. So in this case, the answer will be the same, but instead of the range, we're talking about the domain. So the answer will be reversed, so it will coincide with the domain. So the answer for this case will be the yellow one, where the x values have to be higher than 0, and not be the same as 0. It's like an asymptote on there. Next one, what are the translations made to this function? Log and x minus 2 plus 2. So in this case, in the minus 2, you have to be very careful because it becomes a plus 2. It will be moving 2 units to the right, and the plus 2 in this case means 2 units vertically, in the vertical way, so it means 2 units up. So the correct answer will be the blue one. And that will be like my small activity, so I hope you like it. Thank you.